Making shit up. My best friend's dog is a dino. Chicky peanut.
This is the original L24. Came in McLean's.
Rebuild in a can. Mods.
I guess the L28 is blowing blues.
Yeah, she's not happy, so we're gonna cry.
We just masked off the head basically and rebuilding the can.
Honestly, it looks pretty good.
5-minute prep, yeah.
You mean a 3-minute prep?
Total engine master rebuild in a can.
So this is gonna be about 400 horsepower stock.
Devil Z.
This is Devil Z, not like the Devil Z. They copied me.
They copied me.
You better use that torch and see if it holds up to the actual heat.
It will.
It's fake
They
news.
spray it right now, it's on fire. You know it, right?
It's engine enamel.
It's literally fire. It says it right there.
You know me and
Bro, calm down, man.
you know me and
It's
Frank.
gotta dry for 2 minutes.
You know me and Frank have literally the same motor in our truck.
Really?
Yeah. Hear that? Oh wait, it's the Datsun truck.
Mine's that's back.
Alright, we'll be back when it's done drying. 10-minute paint job's complete. She looks brand new.
It's actually a 5-minute paint job.
It was like 10.
If you guys didn't make me wait to dry, it'd be a 3-minute.
We just masked everything off, sprayed it real quick. They sprayed it. I watched. Cohen watched. Brock watched.
That really doesn't work.
I'm just joking.
I didn't watch.
It looks pretty good. This is now going to go slap in the Datsun over there. Are you doing it here or are you going to take it
We're doing
to...
it right here.
We're bringing her down here.
Alright. Coolant is draining.
Can we turn on Juice World?
Nobody knows what the issue is. It just stopped working correctly.
So we're gonna do the smart thing and pull it out and actually do a diagnosis instead of just drive it around and go, oh yeah, it's blowing blues.
So yeah.
Just cut up from the bottom.
Alright, here's the plan of action. Explain what's happening.
So we were doing some diagnosis and we were checking it out and there was a pool of oil sitting on top of the intake manifold right here that we think was flowing through one of these holes in the intake manifold, I guess like part on the head. So right here was just filled with oil. So we believe that the oil has been getting sucked in and burned, so that's why it's blowing blues. So we got some RTV, putting on a bolt, and we're gonna figure it out. And if it doesn't fit or change anything, then we're still pulling the motor. Probably not today.
Why today?
Okay, no, if
He's a big pussy. We don't know what he's doing.
the F is he?
Another one.
Dude, that's why your car had the silver door.
I know, but we never touched on
Alright, it's been 25 minutes since the last video you saw. And the motor's basically completely pulled apart.
Almost, yeah, ready to come out.
I legit have it on timer. It's only been 25 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Brock's just getting the final bell housing bolts. Engine mount bolts are out on both sides, right?
Uh-huh.
And Clayton's pulling the radiator up, and then we just go jack the car up a little bit and shove the cherry picker in there and pull her on out.
Silver, look at this off the grill. Hey, okay. Is that my fault then? No, Trent's literally on my effing foot. Somebody put it in.
What do you want me to do?
This is killing. This isn't killing.
This forklift is
Oh, it
something
just
else.
muffed the grill.
Is
all
it?
the way, yeah. Completely annihilated it.
Oh,
That's not that bad.
that was definitely your fault.
How the F
You
was
had
it?
it in forward.
You did.
It was in reverse.
And it
was
rolled.
in reverse.
It didn't look in reverse. It went.
No,
Bam!
it was
And
in
then it
reverse,
stopped
and
and
I
went.
let go of it, thinking it was still in reverse, and it turned to forward somehow, babe. I didn't have to touch it. I was waiting for it to engage, and then it went. Literally, it was not my fault. It ever went from reverse.
Well, you have to go now.
Turned off. It's okay. It literally is not that big of a deal. That literally doesn't even look that big.
$50.
Okay, it bent this top piece, bro.
The whole thing bent.
You literally crunch
you can't-
sandwiched in.
Hey,
and then you backed off.
It's symmetrical. It looks fine.
It looks like shiz.
It looks fine.
It
babe.
pissed me off.
Oh
It
god.
literally looks fine. It's literally symmetrical.
I love this.
Look at that. Right now. Don't ever tell me that's my fault, man. I didn't touch it in forward. I don't know.
You drive. You drive.
You
Brock
want
will-
to drive? You get in that nigga smoke.
I don't care anymore.
You don't even see how hard that thing is to rip, bro.
Oh my god.
That thing literally.
Hey, hold on.
I'm glad I got that on film. Oh, this is awesome.
Go back.
Parking brake.
Go. Hey. Hey, I told your ass not go. Yeah, well, go down, man. I haven't just pulled it. Go down. Go down. Go down. Grab the manifold.
Go down.
Go down. Hey, hold on.
Maybe this is not the best idea.
No, that's definitely.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's fine.
Put it down more.
This ain't fine.
Put it down more.
Put it down.
Go up a little tiny bit.
Hey, this mofo is literally ripping idle.
I told his ass. That's not my shit.
Why is the idle so high? Hey, hey, disconnected. We're not effing railing the car for the
Another forklift?
No. Disconnected.
Why not just go to the house and grab the jack?
Just disconnected.
Go down.
Retard.
I effing told you, it literally takes 8 years.
Why not just drive home and grab the jack?
No problem, I'll do some body work.
Damn. I got that on video.
That's
That's amazing.
No, that's
What's your experience with that, Brock?
With that forklift? I think it's a piece of shiz. You heard it from the man that literally ripped me a new one himself say, this thing does not work.
There he is moaning. Yeah.
You almost did. You were
I
this
almost
close.
did.
And I
I'm pretty
stopped
sure
you.
you did hit it.
I literally stopped your ass. Joel.
It was meant.
Not anymore, man.
Not really. It was
Hey,
almost.
shut that. It was brand new.
It
Not
wasn't.
really. Oh, it's good.
It honestly doesn't even look bad. Like, that's going to be tucked out more towards the... Okay, I don't even want to hear you make noises, because when I got this...
They have an unlimited
how you
Karen
gonna-
pay
how
me
you gonna roast my ass?
$200,000
How
to
you
do
gonna
it.
roast my ass?
I'm still gonna roast your ass.
How?
Because you didn't scream. You were smashed into it, and we were all like,
I didn't think I was that close. I thought
we
it
rolled
only
and
gauge,
then
only gauge,
smashed
it
straight
only
into
gauge.
it, and then backed up and smashed into it again. And me and Jane literally just went. I'm sitting there and my car.
You should have got this and you shoved it in the tire like I did.
It didn't do anything.
20 minutes later, after the ramming incident, the engine's out. We just decided to use the cherry picker. Brock had an idea to shorten these up because it wouldn't reach with them being long. So me and McLean just sat on the back of it to give it enough counterweight. Not to
Okay, we
tip
gotta
over.
flip that mofo and do the seal on the bottom.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
This is not seeing our driveway overnight like this.
Yeah, it is.
I will not let that happen.
Someone will steal it.
No.
I don't care about someone stealing it. It'll spontaneously start raining and flood everything.
It's Trent. It can sit in the
Just
rain.
wash the trans, bro. Idiot.
Yeah, the trans did fall down.
Yeah, we're not
Watch
worried
out.
about that.
Watch out.
It's not even touching.
You're a